Welcome back everyone. In this episode I'm going to show you how to legally cook an undersized Murray cod. How do we do that? Stick around, we'll find out. We're heading over to Trentham Fisheries cod farm where you can buy Murray cod, 30 to 40 centimetres, which obviously if you caught them in the wild you'd have to throw them back. Beautiful, let's go get one. I'm here with Glennick from Trentham Fisheries, the cod farm here. Glennick, can you tell us a little bit about your operation? It's awesome.
Yeah, well, we've been going for about 11 years, and as I said before, still learning as we go. We started off just growing fish in the nursery up to about 100 grams.
Yep.
And then selling them to people who stock their dams with them.
Right, yeah.
We weren't going to go to this, the stage of having grow-out tanks. But anyway, so we eventually evolved into doing this. We've been doing this for about 6 years now. We put the fish in at about 100 grams. Takes them about a year or so to get to market size.
Yep.
And market size is around about 1 kilo. Most of our fish go to the Melbourne fish market,
yep.
The bulk of our fish,
Yep.
And a few restaurants around the
Yep.
place. So yeah, it's
And it's certainly like that size fish, the 30 to 40 centimetre, I've always been told that they're the nicest fish to eat. And obviously you can't pull them out of the river that size, so this is fantastic. You can get a really nice tasting fish without breaking the law.
That's right. It's an opportunity for people to do that. Yes.
Yeah. Yep. Excellent.
Yeah. So we get odd people like yourself who call in and,
Yep.
and always willing to help them out.
Yep.
So,
Beautiful. Excellent. Good on you. Thanks very much. I'll put all the details for the fish farm here in the description of the video. But thanks very much, Glennick.
You're welcome.
Good on you. We're back in the kitchen. We've got our Murray cod. I've already gutted it. We'll stuff its guts with some rosemary, some garlic butter and some lemon. We'll wrap it in some foil, throw it in the barbecue, and then we'll make our Murray cod salad. Bit tricky. Rosemary. And lemon. Right. Dropping stuff everywhere. I'll wash my hands and then we'll wrap that. Bit more foil. We'll throw them in the barbie. So all wrapped, we'll throw it in the Weber. Electric Weber, don't pick on me. Turn it up a little bit. We'll leave that for, I don't know, probably 45 minutes, well, a half hour, 45 minutes, and we'll have a look at it. We'll peel some Yabbys that we've got. All right, we've got our Yabbys. We'll peel some and get into it. Aren't they beautiful looking Yabbys? I've done a video previously of us catching Yabbys down the Darling River. If you have a look at our New South Wales, regional New South Wales playlist, you'll see a couple of trips we did catching Yabbys down there. Righto, we'll get into it. Look at that.
Again.
Big bowl of Yabbys. It's about as much meat as you get out of it, but that'll be beautiful for the salad. And we've got the claws to save for later on. We'll go and check on that fish and we'll get started on the salad. Okay, let's put it together. So we've got a bit of lettuce. Bit of mango. A few bits of capsicum, bit of cucumber, and then there's only a little bit of cod here. We've just done one for the purpose of this video, but we can do more. Look at that. A few yabs. And some sweet chili sauce. There we go. How good does that look? Better do the taste test, I suppose. We'll go for a bit. We'll go for a yabby first, though. Beautiful. Bit of fish. If I can pick it up with a bit of mango and the sweet chili. Spot on. Well, there you go. Murray Cod, mango and yabby salad. That was absolutely beautiful. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. Be good, stay safe, and bye for now.